So I finally bought a van. It's a Ford Transit, long wheelbase, like 10 years old, 85,000 miles on the clock. Pretty good condition, little bit of rust, but it is so perfect. Let's go have a look at it. So today we're going to rip out all this crap, all the wooden bits here, on the side, on the floor, and just expose the metal for what it is. And we'll do the bulkhead another day as well.
I'm very intrigued to see how this goes because I just feel like Jamie just doesn't know what he's doing. We're faking it till we make it. Lock your kids away. Yeah, so building on what I was previously saying, Jamie doesn't know what he's doing.
No.
Oh.
There you go. First screw of the van. That's it.
Yes. Oh! Did that fall on your head? Power.
I need that screw. That's fair. This is why Grace is screwing away. Got all this shit to clean up as well. Down here. What are you doing? So it's dropped quite dark now. It's only like 4 PM, but we've got some makeshift lights. Yeah, so we've got some makeshift lights now in a camping light and in some just sort of like roof magnetic light. Actually works really well in here, lights the space up quite nicely. The walls are nice and exposed now. Not actually nowhere near as dirty as I thought they were going to be. They're actually relatively clean apart from, I actually know what this is, it's some form of sealant. So we've taken most of the panels off now and unfortunately found a pretty big issue with the door, the sliding door. So it's got a security lock on it that doesn't open, but it just doesn't open at all. And also it's got a leak about here, which is causing a lot of condensation on the van. So after taking the panels off, we discovered this. There is a massive gap here, you can't really see actually, that is letting lots of water in, which is causing lots of condensation on the roof. No one getting in now. Right, we've taken all the wood off now and we're just about to work on the floor. I've taken the tiniest little panel off. It is filth. My mate warned me how bad the floor of vans can be because everything gathers underneath the floor and it just looks grim. Just spent 10 minutes absolutely killing myself trying to crowbar this floor off, and there's tiny screws to do it.
Pretty filthy.
So we've just done the floor and we found just the tiniest little hole down here. Other than that, the bottom of the van is spotless, which is such good news, because if there was loads of rust on the bottom, we'd be absolutely screwed. So the van interior is now completely ripped out. It's fairly clean. The floor is pretty dirty, but the rest is fairly clean. I think tomorrow or the next few days we're going to spend some time clearing it out and just looking at anything, any issues inside we're going to sort. But if you want to follow the van journey, drop a subscribe, drop a like, all that kind of stuff, because we've got a whole build ahead of us and a hell of a lot of travelling. The plan is hopefully to do this in 12 months, or at least have a bed and stuff in it by summer, and then have the full conversion done by winter, because I'm moving out and I want to live in the van and travel in it and work from the van. So fingers crossed, it's going to be a 12-month transition. And this one is going to be my little helper. Aren't you, Grace?